Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Strava heart rate data problem. Are you having trouble that your Strava heart rate is not showing properly? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps and you'll find a solution. 1. Log out and log back in. Most of the time a simple logging out and logging back in will help you fix this issue. To do that, open the Strava, go to Use section and click on Settings. Scroll down till you find Logout. 2. Check permission settings. Ensure that you have granted Strava consent to process and store your health-related data, including heart rate data. Adjust your permission settings if needed to allow Strava to collect and process health data for future activities. To do that, go to You, click on Settings and scroll down till you find Data Permissions. You can find it here. 3. Verify device connections. Make sure your devices like Garmin, Amazfit or Wahoo Element are properly connected to Strava. Check that the access is allowed for health-related data on your devices to ensure proper syncing of heart rate information. 3. Consider software glitches. If you have encountered inaccurate heart rate data such as flat heart rate or unusual high readings, it might be due to software glitches. In such cases, you can try exporting your activity as a FIT file, remove or adjust the heart rate data, and then manually upload the corrected file to Strava. 5. Merge activity files. If you have separate activities with different data, like one with all details and another with only heart rate, you can merge all these files using the tool like Fit File Tools. After merging the files, upload the combined activity to Strava to have all the data in one place. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava support.